Hi guys, today we're gonna make a Flappy Bird. So, create a new project, call it Flappy Bird. And I just have a Flappy Bird costume. Okay, so let's get started. Drag in a one green flag clicked. Like our other game tutorials, have a broadcast, call it setup. Then, when you receive setup, you're going to broadcast start. Okay, so when I receive start, so in the Flappy Bird game, you see the bird has gravity. So let's add some gravity to our bird. We can literally do forever change y by -1. If you test this out, the gravity works perfectly. But it doesn't look too realistic. So, to make it more realistic, we need to add some acceleration to it. Make a variable called speed y. When I say start, you're going to set speed y to 0. After you do that, you're going to change speed y by -1. And then you're going to change y by speed y. Let's test this out. It works. And it even looks realistic. But there's nothing we can do to prevent ourselves from falling down, right? So, let's do that. Drag in an if statement. If space key pressed, we can literally just set speed y to 12. This works because we're changing y by speed y. So we literally set speed y to 12, and you're changing y by 12. Let's test this out. It works. But there's a problem with this. And it is that if I just continue holding down the space key, the player literally doesn't need to spam the space key. So to fix this, what we can do is wait until not space key pressed. Let's test this out. And this does not work, as you can see. And that's because we're waiting in the main loop. So, how can we fix this? Well, we can literally just create a new loop. So, what you're gonna do is make a new message called change y position. When I receive change y position, I duplicate the forever loop, get rid of the top 2 blocks, and then just drag in that. And then you can delete other if statement. See, it works. Now you see, if I continue holding it, I cannot continue going up. Let's add some animations to our bird. And for our bird, we don't need different costumes. We can just change the direction our bird is facing. See? So let's do that. Drag in a point in direction to 90 before when I receive broadcast start. And then what you're going to do is, whenever you press the space key, you can just point in direction. I'm going to use 45. Okay? And then in our main loop, what we can do is if our direction is, so if we move this way, you're increasing the direction. But if it's greater than 125, you don't, or I'm going to use 150, 160. So if your direction is greater than 160, then actually, if your direction is less than 160, then you can literally just turn that way 1 degree. I mean, 1 degree. You may want to increase it. Let's try 3 degrees. See, it works. Has perfect animations, and it's looking pretty good. You can even adjust the speed of your gravity by changing speed y by a lower number. So if it's lower, it means it's gonna be more floaty. I mean, if it's like close to 0, it's gonna be more floaty. And if it's more lower, it's gonna be faster. I'm just going to turn this into 150 because it also looks pretty weird. So I'm just turning this back to -1. Okay. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. Today was just focusing on basic gravity system. In the next episode, we're going to add the pipes. And then we might focus on a death condition and even an end screen. So I'll see you guys next time.